Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the flow control statements in Golang, for loop. Golang has only one looping construct, the for loop. The basic for loop has three components separated by semicolons. The init statement, this one here, this executed before the first iteration. Then we have the condition expression, this evaluated before every iteration. Then we have the post statement. This is executed at the end of every iteration. In the init statement, we often use the short variable declaration, and the variable declared there only lives inside the scope of the for loop. That means only within these curly brackets. We can't access this I variable outside the for loop. This for loop will stop iterating once this condition returns false. Let's take a look at this sample for loop. Here we have init I with 0. Then we have a condition to check whether the I is less than 10. If I is less than 10, we go inside the for loop and print the value of I. After that, we increment I by 1. At the beginning, I is equal to 0, so this condition will be true. So we'll print the value 0. Then we increment it by 1. Then it will be 1. And again, the condition returns true. Then we print value 1. Likewise, this will goes until this condition return false. Let's run this. At the last iteration of this for loop, I will equal to 9, as we can see here. Then this for loop try to increment it by 1. Then I will equal to 10. So this condition will be false. After that, this for loop stop iterating. In Golang for loop, we can remove this init statement and the incremental statement from this line number 7, like this. This for loop will work as usual. Let's try to run this. As you can see, we can use this format as well for the for loop. Then we can use this I after the for loop ends, like outside the for loop scope. Let's try to print that as well. Here, now we can print I when it's equal to 10. In this for loop format, we can use this for loop as a while loop, like while loops in Java or C. If you omit the loop condition, it loops forever.